Dear students, how are you? I'm Vikas sir. I hope you enjoyed my early videos, and in this video I am going to teach you voice change part 1 from active to passive in the simple present tense. First you need to know what is voice. Voice tells us if the action is done by the subject or by some other doer or agent. That means the action described in a sentence may be done by the subject or by some other agent. If the action is done by the subject, then it is active voice, and if the action is done by some other agent, then the sentence is in the passive voice. So there are two types of voice, active voice and passive voice. When subject does the action, it is active voice. When other agent does the action, it becomes passive voice. Passive voice generally contains by preposition and verb 3 or past participle. You can easily distinguish between the two voices. Now rules for the voice change. We are going to discuss about simple present tense. How can we change the sentences given in simple present tense from active to passive? How can you point out this tense? It is quite easy. The main verb always has s or es ending or is simply the base form, nothing added to it. That means if you find only the single verb without any ending or s or es ending, then it is simple present tense. Example, he plays football. Here there is no by or any third form of the verb, so it is in the active voice, and the verb play has s ending, so it is in the present tense. We can easily point out that it is in the present tense, simple present tense. Now, three parts of this sentence. First one, he subject, plays verb, and football object. The play has s ending, so it is in the simple present tense. Rules active to passive voice. How can we change rules? You have to remember those. First one, the object of the given sentence will be the new subject in the passive voice. Similarly, the subject of the given sentence will be the new object of the passive voice. By will be put before the new object. You get new object and put by before it. Then you use past participle form of the verb of the sentence given to you, and you put it before the by preposition. Here in that sentence there is verb play, so we should use played, the past participle form, third form of the verb. And fifth, am, is or are. One of these three will be put according to number and person of the new subject. You get a new subject and you determine which number and person is that subject is, and accordingly you use am, is or are. When the subject is I, you use am. When the subject is third person singular number, he, she or any name, it, you use is, and when the subject is any other than this, then you use are. So you must remember the first four rules because they are the fundamental rules of the voice change from active to passive, and they are used elsewhere too. Remember, if the active voice is negative, remove do or does. Not is placed after am, is, are in the passive voice. You have to remember this. Now pronoun changes, you have to remember the pronoun changes. They are the same in all tenses, in all sorts of voice changes. Look, if I is the subject, it will be transformed into me in the new object, and vice versa. That means if me is the object in the given sentence, I will be the new subject. Likewise, we will become us will become we, you will not transformed, you will not change. It is both in the subject and object form. They are the same. She will become her, or her will become she. If they are in the object position, her, then it will become she, new subject. And they become them when it comes to the object. An object becomes subject, then it becomes they. Let's change. He plays football. It was active. Here's the new subject football, new object him. V3 is played, and we use by before the new object. Then new subject is third person singular number. New subject football is third person and singular number. So we use is. So the passive form is football is played by him. The given sentence was he plays football. He becomes him, the new object. Football becomes new subject. It comes at the beginning of the sentence. And V3 played. One by one we apply the 5 rules, then it is easily transformed into passive voice. Like this you can change any one of them. Now there are some questions for your practice. Ram reads history daily. Rohim operates computer in our school. They all love flowers. We fear ghosts. Reba cleans the room. He does not care for you. Students respect the teachers. Father writes articles in the newspaper. Like this. All the sentences are given in the simple present tense, and you will follow the 5 rules, and I am quite sure that you will be able to transform them into passive voice. Thank you for watching this video, and wait for many more. They will be coming soon.